Today I'm going to tell you about this Splendide dryer. When we moved into our RV full time, one of the things I wanted to make sure I had was a washer and dryer. We did want the separate washer, separate dryer. Splendide does make a combo, but I prefer the individual washer, individual dryer. This is my washer. You can see it's going right now. This is my dryer. They stack inside this closet, fits perfectly, where they had the water already set up for a washer and dryer in here and the electric. So this electric dryer works great. It's very energy efficient. You have your controls up here. As you can see, you can set this to a low heat or high. Let me show you how large this is. It's just my husband and I, but I'm also a hairstylist and I wash my own towels from the salon. And I have been washing towels every week for over a year, as well as all of our normal laundry, and everything has worked perfectly. We haven't had any issues at all. This right here is your dryer vent. It catches all the lint. It opens like this. You get the lint out, close it, slide it right back in. Close the dryer door. Turn your controls. There you go. Push that, and it is on. It is going. So if you're on the fence about this dryer and you're not sure if you want to be out the money, go for it. I'm telling you, it is so much simpler than going to a laundromat. It is I love it. I love having it here in my RV. I love being able to do laundry late at night, early in the morning. A lot of times I will start a load before I go to work. It's great having those options. And this dryer has been worth every penny. I've loved it. I think you will too.